All right, folks, this here is a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EXL. Great vehicle on the road, folks. Let's go over this vehicle in detail today. You'll notice a difference and a better visibility of the Hawkeye style, a little bit with the chrome right above it. A great look, great finish as well, too. You'll notice here as well, this is considered lane watch. So whenever you turn your right turning signal on, you'll be able to know exactly who is behind you, including the breakaway mirrors. So it actually helps you as well when it comes out. You'll notice a little bit of the tint, okay, it's more of a privacy glass as well too, that helps with the passengers in the back. I'm gonna show you what the trunk has so you can see how much space you got for you and your family. All right, folks, here to do the finishing touches when it comes to the back of the vehicle. You'll notice ample trunk space, okay? Not only that, your seats can fold down and the spare exactly right there for you. Coming to the back here. You'll notice not only you got the cup holders for the passengers in the back, but lots of leg room for you and your family, even going on safe trips. Come into the front as well too. You'll notice not only dual zone climate control, you also have your moonroof as well too, but also the lane watch that comes included with it. You definitely gotta come see this one. All right, folks, it's the finishing touches to the entire vehicle. Remember, this is a 2016 certified pre-owned Honda Civic EXL. Okay, it does very well on the road. That will help you and your family, and gas efficient as well. My name is Mike McKinnon, located at Delaney Honda, right across the street from Walmart. Again, the address is 115 Lenz Rd, Indiana, PA. Phone number 724-717-1500. My name is Mike, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you on Test Drive Day.